vibe, yeah. We the best, give me the light, yeah. And we turn it up every time. And we bust it up, watch it, watch it. Bad. Anyway, them see me, me gun, them a chat. Bad. Busting up the place with me style. What kind of thing that style where we fling back? Passion and the position, the girl them have to bring that. Bad. Busting up the place with me style. Oi, it's a little toy. Mash up the place, give the people joy. Love it when the girl them does a bubble on it and them does a juggle on it. Work it, that me employ.
Mashing up the party. So me have to roll up, they are with me shorty. Anytime we pass through the place is a blood clot vibe.
We keep the party alive. Busting up the place with me style.
Can be ever look fresh and never clean. The scene, the girl them a rapping. Now you mean never controlling the entire scene. And I'm on a poly money, my money free. When you feel it, squeal, you get the face to steal. Been a steel bars, I am the real deal. Girl them love me, but give them the real feel. Got up on her knee, push up, bring it back. She want piece of me, a Lenardi. Yeah, when me put it on she and she put it on me, and I give it some way. She want me ugly, but they ugly. Come me
Bad. Anyway, them see me, me gun, them a chat. Bad. Busting up the place with me style. What kind of thing that style where we fling back? Passion and the position, the girl them have to bring that. Bad. Busting up the place with me style. Get it lit, love you vibe, yeah. We the best, give me the light, yeah. And we turn it up every time. And we bust it up, watch it.
Kybba, how you bad, so?
Mickael, envoie-nous du Shatta.